Hello and welcome to section 4.6. We are doing checkpoint 4.28. In this checkpoint they want us to find a directional derivative, du df sub u. We would say the derivative of f in the direction of u. And the formula is given here as the partial of f with respect to x evaluated at xy times u, which is the first component of the unit vector. It has to be a unit vector, plus fy, evaluated at xy times u2. Okay, they want us to find the directional derivative first, and they want us to figure out what it is evaluated at 3, 4. So for this we need to find our partial derivatives. So f sub x is equal to, we have 3x squared y, so with respect to x that's going to be 6xy. The next term would be 4y cubed because x is the variable. And then the next term would be 0, and then the last term would be negative 4. Okay. That's our first one. Our second one would be f sub y, and that is equal to, with respect to y, 3x squared minus the y is cubed, and so that's going to be 12. X is constant, y squared. And then we have 3 times 2 is 6 times y, and then 0 after that. Okay, now that we have this, we'll put in the formula. Our u is already there. U is already a unit vector because it's coming from sine and cosine to trig. It's all on a unit circle. So our directional derivative, d sub u of f of xy, will be equal to 6xy plus 4y cubed minus 4 times the cosine of pi over 3. I think the cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. And then we have to add 3x squared minus 12xy squared plus 6y. And then we're going to multiply that by the sine of pi over 3, which is root 3 over 2. Okay, now we can simplify this just a little bit, but I don't think it'll be that big of a deal. And so our next task is to figure out what happens at 3, 4. So we need to figure out what the functions are when x is 3 and y is 4. So this is going to be 6 times 3 times 4 plus 4 times 4 cubed minus 4. So we have 36, 4 cubed. I think, well, this is going to end up being negative 188. After working that out. The next one, f sub y, evaluated at 3, 4, is going to be 3 times x, which is 3 squared minus 12x times y squared plus 6y. And this will turn up to be negative 525. Okay. Again, using the formula, we'll put these values in for fxy or fx and fy, and then we'll multiply it by 1/2 and root 3 over 2. So our derivative of f in the direction of u, evaluated at 3, 4, will be negative 188 divided by 2 minus or plus negative 525, and then root 3 over 2. And aside from simplifying this a little bit, There's not much else you can do, and if you punch it into the calculator, you'll get a negative number, which means if you go in this direction, it'll be negative, and it's going to be negative 548.663, which is really, really steep. Okay, I hope that helps.